We're all being affected by this thing. Our times are urgent. A constellation of influences coming together, changing things in such extraordinary ways. But I want to show you some of the big things that are moving in our world right now. The soul map perspective or astrology represents the archetypal patterns of our collective evolution. And if you know how to understand what it's saying, you can hear it tell our story. Earlier this year, May and June, I talked about something I'm calling the Jupiter-Midas effect, radically changing all things money, business, and structure. Economic, political, you name it, it covers it. It's affecting you now. It lasts all year long. And the effects of this year-long wave of change will have effect for the following 7 years. We now live in a world where we want instant connection. It's asking us to love one another through our money. That money is how we love. It's a symbol. So how we interact with it, how we go about getting it, how we think about it, feel about ourselves is changing. Not only could I see the archetypal patterns of consciousness moving in individuals, I could see it in us. I mean, we have insurgents in the streets are going, no more. We gave you a shot. You said you would change it. That's not happening. So we are going to claim our power back. This year is a huge year, an opportunity to grow and expand our businesses unlike anything we've ever seen before. But we must know how to ride this surge to truly take advantage of it. The future of business and money making has already changed. The question is, are you ready? Join over 1,200 people from more than 60 countries around the world and get ready now. Go to JupiterMidasEffect2.com.